This is the November 2012 non-calculator exam, paper 1. Question 17. Write root 12 plus root 75 in the form a root 3, where a is an integer. So this is a question about the simplification of surds. We're going to start off by simplifying each part of the surd calculation separately. So I'm going to simplify root 12. We look for the largest square factor of 12, which is of course 4, and we can rewrite root 12 as root 4 multiplied by root 3. Remember, the answer has got to be in terms of root 3, so this is a useful first step. We can then simplify root 4 to 2, giving us an answer of 2 root 3. We then need to simplify root 75. Again, thinking about square factors, the biggest square factor of 75 is 25, so I can rewrite root 75 as root 25 multiplied by root 3. Again, the root 3 being present will be very useful. This then simplifies down to 5 root 3. Finally, I have to add together root 12 and root 75, so I can write this as root 3 multiplied by 5 root 3, which gives me a total of 7 root 3. So my final answer is 7 root 3. Question 18. Write these numbers in order of size, starting with the smallest. You must show your working. We're going to take each of these numbers in turn and simplify them in order to be able to compare them in order of size. I'm going to start with 27 to the power of 2/3, and I'm going to rewrite this as 27 to the power of 1/3 all squared, splitting up the power 2/3 into 1/3 and a square. 27 to the power of 1/3 is the same as the cube root of 27. The cube root of 27 is 3, so this calculation then becomes 3 squared, which is equal to 9. I'm now going to simplify 64 to the power of 1/3. Again, power 1/3 means the cube root, so the cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Finally, 4 to the power of 3/2. As with the first question, I split that power up, so I have 4 to the half, dealing with the denominator part first of all, then cubed. 4 to the half is the same as the square root of 4, which then has to be cubed, which is 2 cubed, or 8. So the smallest of these three numbers, 9, 4 and 8, is obviously 4, which means that 64 to the power 1/3 is the smallest number. The next smallest number is 8, which is 4 to the power 3/2, and the largest value is 9, which is 27 to the power of 2/3.